Hey there, friends. Meteorologist Shane Smith here. It is Wednesday, November 26, 2025, and happy Thanksgiving to you. The forecast looking very cold for Thanksgiving Day. Right now, we've got a few showers passing by to the north of the Bluegrass, and there's some precipitation out in Missouri. I think we're going to be mainly dry for Thanksgiving, but one or two isolated showers are possible as that area of low pressure spins off to the north. The thing that is for sure, it is going to be cold. We're going to see wind chills into the 20s, even though air temperatures are going to be going into the 40s. It is going to be a bone chilling cold day. Let's take a look at the future radar from the NAM model. You can see there's at least a few snow showers possible in northeastern Kentucky, either Thursday or Friday on a northwest flow, but I think most of us will be dry. You'll notice that storm system building off to the west. That moves in on Saturday. We'll take a closer look at that here in a second. Here's a look at those forecast wind chills courtesy of the NAM model. We start off Thanksgiving morning feeling like the 20s across most of the state and barely getting into the 30s by the afternoon. It is going to be a bitter cold Thanksgiving Day across the Bluegrass, and we go into Friday, Black Friday. 15 your wind chill at 7 o'clock in the morning in Lexington, about 18 or 19 in Somerset and London, low 20s out towards Pikeville, and we only see those wind chills climb into the 20s and 30s in the afternoon on Black Friday. So some pretty cold stuff heading our way. Let's look at that next storm system as it arrives Saturday night into Sunday. Here's the European model's take on it. I do think that as this low tracks to the north, most of us end up with mainly rain from this system. I think we could see a little bit of flake action in northern Kentucky, but not a ton. Then we go in the next week, a storm system develops off to the south and lifts northeast. Now, the exact track of that storm has some big implications on our weather. Now, the GFS model saying at least a mix of snow to start, especially north of I-64, and then rain. We got to wait and see if that holds up, and then it brings that storm system in a farther bit to the west. That would be more of a rainy solution for the next week storm. And then the Canadian model going mainly rain for the Saturday, Sunday system, and then the Tuesday system a little further to the southeast. So that would mean at least a chance of snow. The bottom line, regardless of what happens, it is going to be cold. We are going to see temperatures well below average for the next several days, and the pattern remains loaded. I'm going to take a break on Thanksgiving, but I'll have another update with a look at the potential of winter weather coming up for you on Friday.